Hello, my dears. How are things going at your end? I hope it is going good. Children, you know how to ride a bicycle, right? Learning is a continuous process. It's like a bicycle. Why? If you don't pedal the bicycle, you don't go forward, right? Like that, if you don't practice math, you cannot go forward. So, children, practice math daily. Okay? Today, we are going to do the last exercise. Children, let's do the first question. I'll read the question for you. Ticket rate for the science exhibition is 10 rupees for a child and 26 rupees for an adult. 740 rupees was got from 50 persons. How many children among them? This is the question. So, children, for the science exhibition, for one child, ticket rate is 10 rupees and for one adult, it is 26 rupees. And total amount they collected is 740 rupees. And number of persons, total number of persons is equal to 50. So, number of children plus number of adult is equal to 50, right? So, the question is how many children among them. So, let's take x be the number of children. So, let's take the number of children be x. So, x be the number of children plus number of adults. Number of adults is equal to 50, right? Number of children plus number of adults is equal to 50. So, how can you write the number of adults in terms of x? Suppose if you are writing 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, how can you write this 5? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, right? Like that, adult is equal to 50 minus x. So, number of adult is equal to number of adult is equal to 50 minus x. X be the number of children and number of adults is equal to 50 minus x. X children at the rate of 10 rupees is equal to 10x plus number of adults 50 minus x and how much rupees for adult is equal to 26. So, 26 into 50 minus x. 26 into 50 minus x. How much is the total? 740. So, 10x plus, open this bracket, 26 into 50, 1300 minus 26 into x minus 26x is equal to 740. Then, take the x terms together and constant terms on right side. 10x minus 26x, 10x minus 26x is equal to, here 740, this plus 1300 to right side, that means minus 1300. So, 10x minus 26x is equal to minus 16x is equal to 740 minus 1300 is equal to minus 560. Minus 16x is equal to minus 560. So, x is equal to minus 560 divided by minus 16 is equal to, this minus and minus got cancelled and the answer is 35. So, children, here there is one rule you will learn in the chapter identities, that I will just explain that. Positive into positive is equal to positive, positive into negative is equal to negative, negative into positive is equal to negative, negative into negative is equal to positive. That means if the signs are same, you will get positive. If the signs are different, you will get the result as negative. So, keep in mind that This is for multiplication and division. If the signs are same, you will get positive. If the signs are different, you will get negative. So, here the signs are same, negative, both are negative. That is why we got this as positive 35. Children, you must write like this in your notebook. Let x be the number of children. Total number of persons is equal to 50. Number of adults is equal to 50 minus x. That means total number of person 50 minus number of children, that is 50 minus x. And then total amount is equal to rupees 740. Amount from x children at the rate of 10 rupees is equal to 10 into x is equal to 10x. Amount from 50 minus x adults at the rate of 26 rupees is equal to 26 into 50 minus x. So, 10x plus 26 into 50 minus x is equal to 740. Then open the bracket of 26 into 50 minus x. So, 10x plus 1300 minus 26x is equal to 740. 10x minus 26x is equal to 740 minus 1300, that is minus 16x equal to minus 560. So, x is equal to minus 560 divided by minus 16 is equal to 35. So, children, here we got x is equal to 35, that is the number of children. Number of children plus number of adults is equal to 50. You have to check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay. Now, let us do another question, fifth question. I will read out the question for you. In a cooperative society, the number of men is thrice the number of women. The number of men is thrice the number of women. So, let us take the number of women be x. Then only we can write thrice the number of women. Men is equal to thrice the number of women means 3 times that of women. Then 29 women and 16 men more joined the society, and now the number of men is double the number of women. How many women were there in the society at first? This is the question. So, children, let the number of women be x and number of men is equal to 3x. Number of men is equal to 3x. And the number of women when 29 more joined. Number of women when 29 more joined is equal to x plus 29. Then number of men when 16 more joined is equal to 3x plus 16. Then equate this number of, now the number of men is double the number of women. Number of men is equal to 3x plus 16 is equal to double the number of women. So, double the number of women is equal to x plus 29. So, 3x plus 16 is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 29, 58. Then take x terms together. 3x minus 2x is equal to this 58 plus 16 to right side, that means minus 16. So, 3x minus 2x equal to 1x. 1x means x is equal to 58 minus 16 is equal to 42. So, x is equal to 42. What is the question? How many women were there in the society at first? That is the question. So, x is equal to 42. So, number of women at first is equal to 42. Is this clear, children? You have to check it. DS, let the number of women be x. Number of men is equal to thrice the number of women, that means 3x. Number of women when 29 more joined, more means addition, so x plus 29. Number of men when 16 more joined is equal to 3x plus 16. Then number of men is double the number of women, that means 2 times x plus 29, that is 3x plus 16 is equal to 2 into x plus 29. Then open the bracket of 2 into x plus 29. So, 3x plus 16 is equal to 2x plus 58. Then take the x terms together. 3x minus 2x is equal to 58 minus 16 is equal to 42. So, the question is how many women were there in the society at first. So, number of women at the beginning is equal to 42. Children, now let us do some questions from previous year's question paper. First question, if 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 4 into x plus 3, then find x. If 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 4 into x plus 3, then find x. Then find x. This is the question. So, how to do this? First open this bracket, 6 into x, 6x minus 6 into 2, 12 is equal to 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 3, 12. Then take the x terms together, 6x plus 4x to left side means minus 4x is equal to this 12, this minus 12 to right side means plus 12. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x is equal to 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So, x is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Easy, right? This was first term examination 2017-18. Children, let us do another question. 5 added to 3 times a number equals 3 subtracted from 5 times that number. What is that number? Let us take the unknown number be x. Then 5 added to 3 times a number. 3 times a number means unknown number is x, 3 times a number means 3x. 5 added to 3 times a number means 3x plus 5 equals, put is equal to sign, 3 subtracted from 5 times that number. 5 times that number means 5x. 3 subtracted from 5 times that number means 5x minus 3. Then equate this, you will get this answer. So, 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 3. Now, take the x terms together and constant terms together. 3x, this 5x to left side, so minus 5x is equal to, here it is minus 3, this plus 5 take to right side, that will become minus 5. 3x minus 5x equal to minus 2x, minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 8. So, x is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. We have already studied in the previous question that negative divided by negative is equal to positive. So, 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So, the number x is equal to 4. So children, this is the end of our second chapter, equations. I hope you have understood the concepts clearly. Please practice well. Okay? Take care. Bye bye. See you. Stay safe. Stay home.